In this video, I am going to show you how to copy object or drawing from one AutoCAD file to another. Open both CAD file and type copy clip in command bar, or you can press Ctrl CE and then select the object. Now your object is ready to paste. Type paste text in command bar or press Ctrl V click where you want to place. You can also paste your object from the same file as many times you want. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm always here to help.